Hey Emma, my little cousin came to visit yesterday and he spent the whole afternoon watching cartoons.
Really? What was he watching?
Mostly SpongeBob SquarePants. He laughed so hard at every episode.
Oh, wow. I used to love SpongeBob too when I was a kid. I still remember the Pineapple House and all those crazy characters.
Same here. Honestly, I think adults still enjoy it sometimes.
Yeah, because the jokes are funny for everyone, not just children.
Did you have another favorite cartoon?
Definitely Tom and Jerry. I watched it almost every morning before school.
Oh, that cartoon never gets old.
Exactly. Even without many words, it was still so entertaining.
My grandfather loved it too. 3 generations in my family watched the same cartoon.
That's actually kind of sweet.
So, who was your favorite character from all those cartoons?
Probably Jerry the Mouse.
Really? Not Tom?
No, Jerry was small but always smart. I liked how he could solve problems and escape every time.
That makes sense. I liked Tom more because sometimes I felt bad for him.
True, Tom failed all the time, but he never gave up.
Exactly. He kept trying no matter what happened.
That's actually a good life lesson for a cartoon cat.
Yeah, a very stressed cartoon cat.
Did you ever try drawing cartoon characters?
All the time. My school notebooks were full of bad drawings of SpongeBob and Pikachu.
Wait, Pikachu too?
Of course. Every kid wanted a Pikachu backpack at some point.
That is so true. You know what's interesting? A lot of cartoons became huge movies later.
Yeah, like the Super Mario Brothers movie.
Exactly. I watched it with my younger brother last year.
Was it good?
Honestly, yes. The animation looked amazing, and the music was fun too.
I heard many adults watched it because they grew up playing Mario games.
That's probably why it became so popular.
Did you ever watch Pokemon movies?
Yes, I even cried during one of them when I was little.
Really? Which one?
I don't remember the title anymore, but Pikachu was trying to save Ash.
That sounds emotional for a children's movie.
It really was. My mom laughed at me because I was crying over a yellow cartoon mouse.
Honestly, I understand. Speaking of cartoons, did you ever collect toys or stuffed animals?
Oh yes, I had a huge teddy bear and a small Pikachu plushie.
You still have them?
The teddy bear, yes. The Pikachu disappeared years ago.
That's tragic.
I know.
I used to collect Pokemon cards instead.
Were they expensive?
Not at first, but now some cards are worth a lot of money.
That's crazy. Imagine becoming rich because of cartoon cards.
Some people really do.
My cousin still buys cartoon merchandise all the time. Bags, keychains, water bottles, everything.
Honestly, cartoon brands are everywhere now.
Especially Disney characters.
Yeah, you can walk into any store and see Mickey Mouse on something.
Do you think old cartoons were better than modern ones?
Sometimes, yes.
Why?
Old cartoons felt simpler and more relaxing. Now everything is very fast and loud.
I agree a little. Some modern cartoons change scenes every 2 seconds.
Exactly. Kids today probably have very different tastes.
But modern animation quality is incredible, though.
That's true. The visuals today look almost like real movies.
And some modern stories are actually deeper than people expect.
Yeah, cartoons are not only for kids anymore.
A lot of adults watch animated movies now without feeling embarrassed.
Honestly, animation can tell emotional stories better sometimes.
Especially family stories.
Did cartoons ever get you into trouble as a kid?
Oh yes. One time I tried to jump from the sofa because cartoon characters always survived everything.
No way.
Yes way. I twisted my ankle and cried for an hour.
That sounds exactly like something a child would do.
My mom immediately banned cartoons for 2 days.
That must have felt terrible.
It really did.
I once tried to cook because of a cartoon cooking show.
How did that go?
I burned instant noodles somehow.
That should be impossible.
Apparently, not for me.
You were a talented child. I think cartoons stay popular because they remind people of happy memories.
Yeah, sometimes hearing an old cartoon theme song feels emotional.
Exactly. It reminds you of childhood, school vacations, snacks, and simpler days.
And watching cartoons with family members makes the memory stronger too.
Definitely. I used to sit beside my dad every Sunday morning and watch cartoons together.
That sounds really nice.
It was. Even now, when I hear those old opening songs, I think about those mornings.
That's probably why adults still buy cartoon products.
Not just because they like the characters, but because they miss those feelings.
Yeah, cartoons are connected to emotions, not only entertainment. Actually, your story reminds me of something funny.
What happened?
Last month, I went into a cartoon store just to look around.
Uh-oh, that never ends well.
Exactly. 5 minutes later, I was holding a giant Stitch plush toy.
You bought it, didn't you?
Of course I did.
How old are you again?
Old enough to make bad financial decisions.
That's honestly hilarious.
The worst part is, the store was full of adults.
Really?
Yeah, some people were buying cartoon mugs, pillows, phone cases, everything.
Honestly, cartoon merchandise has become part of pop culture now.
True, and some items are actually really cute.
I understand completely. Whenever I see a soft Pikachu plushie, I suddenly lose self-control.
That's dangerous information for your wallet.
Very dangerous. Do you ever re-watch old cartoons now?
Sometimes, yes. Especially when I feel stressed after work.
Same here. Old cartoons feel relaxing somehow.
Yeah, no complicated drama. Just simple stories and funny moments.
And sometimes you notice new jokes as an adult.
Exactly. When I was little, I only watched for the action.
But now you understand the humor better.
Right. Some jokes were clearly written for parents, too.
I realized that when I rewatched Scooby-Doo recently.
Oh, wow. I forgot about Scooby-Doo.
I used to be scared of the ghosts when I was a child.
And then every episode ended with some old man in a costume.
Exactly.
Honestly, cartoons were a huge part of growing up.
Yeah, different generations may watch different shows, but the feeling is still the same.
So if you could keep only one cartoon character forever, who would it be?
Still Jerry the Mouse.
Still loyal after all these years?
Absolutely.
For me, probably Pikachu.
Good choice.
Honestly, cartoons made childhood much more fun.
They really did.
And now, we sound old talking about them.
A little bit, yes.
Maybe we should watch cartoons again this weekend.
Honestly, I'm not against that idea at all.
Deal. But no crying during Pokemon movies.
No promises.